Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset your PC in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. From the menu, select Recovery. Under the Reset This PC section, click on Get Started. You'll be asked whether you want to keep your personal files or remove everything. Choose the option that best suits your needs. You can choose to either keep My Files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or Remove Everything, which deletes all personal files, apps, and settings. Follow the prompts to complete the reset process. This process will reinstall Windows 10 and restore your PC to its factory settings. Our video on how to install Windows 10 might help you. The link is in the description below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.